Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from domesticatedme.com. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a lifestyle blogger and YouTuber. I cover everything from fashion to beauty to family travel, DIY projects, you name it, I cover it all. So if any of those topics appeal to you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you can set up your notifications for all. That way you'll be notified whenever my videos go out, and I make new videos every week. So if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. Actually, before I get started, let me just give you a little reminder or introduce you to the way that I do my unboxing videos. First, I'll start off with talking about what intrigued me, why I like the product that I'm unboxing, why I purchase it, my purchasing experience, then I'll unbox it, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. So now we can get started. If you saw my last video, you saw that I went to Fendi's Baguette 25th anniversary pop-up here in New York City. At the event, I not only saw the 25 relaunched baguettes in celebration of the 25th anniversary of the Fendi Baguette, but I also saw pieces from their newest collection. This included new Fendi Firsts and other baguettes. Now, the reason that I went to the pop-up was specifically to pick up a bag that I had pre-ordered a few weeks ago from their latest collection. And the full story, which I'll share with you, is that I actually pre-ordered this bag while in labor with my baby. So I'm in the hospital, again, in active labor, but obviously not at the point where I'm pushing or anything like that. We're just kind of waiting for the big moment to happen. And I get a text from my incredible sales associate, Tina. She works out of the Soho boutique, but whenever they have pop-ups, she works those locations. I actually met her at the Fendace pop-up, and she's incredible. So if you don't have a sales associate, I definitely 100% recommend Tina at the Soho location. But again, if you go to the pop-up, you'll be able to meet her there. So yeah, she sends me a text and says, that bag you wanted, I can pre-order it. I can send you a link to if you still want to pre-order it. And I was like, absolutely. So I'm like telling my husband, get my wallet as I'm, in my hospital gown with my mask on, the IV and all of that. And I'm like, get me my wallet. So I pre-ordered it and I was able to pick it up at the pop-up. As I mentioned, I always talk about the shopping experience. It was seamless because of Tina, and that's definitely one of the recommendations that I have, or a tip that I have. If you want to shop these limited edition or these special bags that will be hard to get, then I definitely recommend having a sales associate, knowing a sales associate. It's really important that you establish a relationship, a connection with someone, at least get someone's name and phone number so that you can reach out to them whenever you are interested in something, and then they can help you place the order or place the pre-order. If you don't have a sales associate, again, I recommend Tina. Call the Soho location and ask for her contact information, and connect with her. She's absolutely wonderful and amazing. This bag is very rare. This bag, she told me that they were only 2 in New York, or at least maybe I misunderstood. There were definitely only 2 at the pop-up locations, and that's it. They had the one for display and then 2 bags downstairs, and one was mine and the other one had also been pre-ordered. So I'm so thankful to have met Tina, to have purchased my Fendace pieces from her, and to have that contact in my phone whenever I want something, especially if it's going to be a really rare piece, something very special. So thank you so much, Tina. Again, recommend her. She's amazing. So picked up my bag and I'm so excited to unbox it for you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here she is. I am so thrilled to have this as part of my collection. I found out about the purple sequined baguette a little too late. By the time that I saw it and had finished thinking about it and considering whether I should buy it or not, like, it takes me a minute to really fall in love with a bag. I really need to think about it. As I mentioned in a previous video, I'm not someone who resells a lot of their bags, like has a revolving closet where one bag in, one bag out. I wish I could do that. I get that. I'm just someone that when I fall in love with a bag, I want it, and I want it as part of my collection forever. So because of that, I really try to take my time, and unfortunately, I miss out on bags. So unfortunately for me, it's a little bit difficult because I do want to put some thought as much as I can behind a purchase, but also we need to think fast when we're for certain pieces. But for this one, I just need, look at that shine. Look at how it reflects light. It is absolutely gorgeous. I am so happy to have this as part of my collection. I mentioned earlier this year that I have very little color in my handbag collection. Most of my pieces are neutral, black and browns mainly, and I have some pink, some lighter pieces, but I don't have color. And this year I was thinking, if I buy more bags, I really need to add color. And hello color. Hello gorgeous turquoise. I love turquoise. And as soon as I saw her, she was breathtaking, and it's so much more beautiful in person. This is a bag that I will wear with jeans and a t-shirt, with a nice dress. I will take this out during the day, during the night. I can really see myself wearing this a lot because it's just gorgeous. I want to take her out. I want to take her out. If you're watching this video, then you've probably seen the purple baguette, the Carrie Bradshaw from Sex and the City bag. This is the same bag, or the re-release of that bag, but in this gorgeous turquoise. The ones that I've really seen a lot are the rose gold and that acid green. I can't do acid green. I get the appeal of it, and I like it on other people. I like that bag and that color on other people. It's just not for me. It's a little too out there for me. And I do have a green bag that I want to add to my collection, and it's not that. And I don't know if I'll ever add it. I want to. We'll see. But this is just absolutely stunning, gorgeous, different, eye-catching. And like I said, it is, even though it's a sequined bag, and it is very eye-catching, it is very special. It can look very, night out, glamorous. I also enjoy the look of this bag dressed down with just like jeans and a t-shirt, cardigan, that very dressed down with this as the pop, the touch of something special and unique. So yeah, I really love this bag. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna lie, I still want the purple baguette, but this will just have to do for now. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've been interested in any of the sequined bags. The newest release, again, has that acid green. There is a rose pink. There's a really pretty light purple. Then there is a red, and then there's a teal, and I think that's it. I think those are the 5 that were released in this latest collection. Oh, she's absolutely stunning. She is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy. She just makes me happy. I look at this, and how can you not smile? How can you not, appreciate the craftsmanship, the work, it's just incredible. It's just beautiful. And not only is it sequined, but there's beading. It's just absolutely gorgeous. The craftsmanship is amazing. My sales associate said that these bags come with a 2-year warranty, so if anything happens to the sequin, to the bag at all, you just bring it into Fendi and they'll take care of it. After those 2 years, then I think you might be responsible. You might have to pay for some of the repairs. She's absolutely stunning, gorgeous. So happy. So happy. So there she is. Check out my Instagram. Definitely follow me on Instagram if you haven't followed me already. It's at JESSICAYFLORES. I will show more photos and modeling shots of the bag. I'll show you how I'm gonna style it. So yeah, so happy. Let me know your thoughts. Again, let me know if any of these sequin bags interests you, which one was your favorite, or which one was your favorite period of the new released bags, whether it's a baguette or a Fendi first. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.